Not all mouse pads are made equal. And this one, it's more than just gear. It's art. This is the FlashBeyond Artsopolis Crimson Guardian, a collaboration that fuses collectible design with competitive grade performance. Under UV light, the Crimson Dragon skeleton glows through the glass, revealing layers of intricate detail that shifts and breathes as the light changes. It's an actual centerpiece for any gaming setup. The surface is crafted with a 0.85 micron micro-etched glass and coated with precision glide. Every movement feels smooth, consistent, and responsive. Tuned for FPS and esports players who live for control. Tempered glass at over 620 degrees Celsius and finished with CNC-rounded edges, this pad doesn't just perform, it endures. Scratch resistant, moisture proof, and built to outlast your setup. And it comes ready to play. A full pro kit inside. PTFE skates, a cooling sleeve, and a microfiber cloth. Everything about this unboxing screams premium. Whether you're chasing precision or just want a setup that turns heads, the FlashBeyond Artsopolis Crimson Guardian delivers both performance and presence.